Hello and welcome to the Compensation Plan Training. My name is Josh Zwagel and I'm the CEO and founder of My Daily Choice. This short video will explain why industry experts are calling our compensation plan the most lucrative and aggressive plan in the industry. First off, we have huge payouts in our compensation plan. We pay out 85% of sales volume. Most companies are at a 40 to 60% payout, and we are able to pay out way more. Here's how we can afford to pay out more in commissions than almost every company in our space. We have a virtual iCloud setup. We own our own software and systems. We do everything in-house. We are 100% debt-free, and we have a cash model. Instead of taking out loans, we pay cash for everything. And finally, we don't rely on big offices or many employees to run our business. We leverage the internet and social media, which allows us to pay out an 85% payout on volume, which is huge. So the My Daily Choice compensation plan pays out 5 different ways: retail sales, jumpstart bonuses, binary commissions, leadership check matching, and reward points. I'm going to go over each way we get paid and how you can qualify to maximize the compensation plan. The first thing to understand is that we have a hybrid structure of a binary and a unilevel compensation plan. New affiliates and customers create business volume, which goes into your binary and unilevel structure. In your binary structure, you build 2 legs, a left leg and a right leg, and that's where your binary commissions are paid. In the unilevel structure, this is based on your line of sponsorship, and you can build unlimited legs. Every single affiliate you enroll creates a new leg in your unilevel structure. Jumpstart bonuses and leadership check matching are paid based on your unilevel structure. When you join My Daily Choice, there are 3 options to get started: a builder pack, director pack, and executive pack. A builder pack is $69, which is 50 BV or business volume. It gets you 3 bottles, 1 level of jump starts, 1 level of check matching, and 10% binary pay. If you're looking to test the waters out, this is the perfect pack for you. Something affordable, it allows you to still refer people to the business and make great money. The director pack is $149, which is 100 BV. It gets you 8 bottles, 3 levels of jump starts, 2 levels of check matching, and 12% binary pay. If you're a bit more serious about the business and you want to make more money with My Daily Choice, this is the pack for you. The last pack is our executive pack. It's $299, which is 200 BV. It gets you 20 bottles of product, 4 levels of jump starts, 4 levels of check matching, and 15% binary pay. If you're serious about generating a lifetime income with My Daily Choice and making this business your home, this is the pack for you. Okay, retail sales. Retail sales are paid weekly, and you earn commissions every time you refer a customer to your website who purchases a 1-pack, 3-pack, 8-pack, or 20-pack worth of product. Depending on what pack your retail customers buy, you'll earn a commission, as you can see in the chart here, of anywhere from $10 to $100 in commissions. These are one-time customers, and these commissions are paid weekly. This is the forefront of our business, so you can just bring in customers and generate a residual income. The next way we pay out is through jumpstart bonuses. This is one of the most lucrative ways to make money with My Daily Choice. As your team of affiliates grow, we pay you weekly on all of their first orders, not on auto ships. This program goes up to 10 levels deep and dynamically compresses. What that means is that you never lose out on levels. When people are inactive in your business with no auto ship order, they do not count as your levels in these jump starts. Here's an example of how lucrative the jumpstart bonuses can be. Assuming that you came into the business at the executive pack and all of the affiliates you sign up came in at the executive pack, here's what your commissions could look like. This is an example assuming that every person goes out and enrolls just 2 people. This is a 2x2 model. If on your level 1 you sign up 10 people, on level 2 you sign up 20 people, level 3 40 people, level 4 80 people, level 5 160 people, level 6 320 people, level 7 640 people, level 8 1,280 people, level 9 2,560 people, and level 10 5,120 people, you would be making a little over $30,000. These jumpstart bonuses are so huge, and once again, these bonuses pay out weekly. As your team grows into larger numbers, you could make a 6-figure and even a 7-figure income just through these jumpstart bonuses. Okay, the next way we pay out is in the binary team commissions. At My Daily Choice, we have a non-flushing binary compensation plan that has a monthly earning potential of $1 million per month. Binary commissions are paid on auto ships and customers. To qualify for a binary check, you need to have at least one personally enrolled affiliate on each leg with 50 PV or personal volume, and then 300 BV on your lesser leg, and you have to have a minimum of 100 PV. So in this diagram here, if you had 10,000 BV on your lesser leg and 12,000 BV on your strong leg, and you were at the executive pack, you'd earn $1,500 in binary commissions. In addition, 2,000 BV would roll over to the next month from your strong leg that you haven't cashed out yet. Another lucrative way we pay is through leadership check matching. This is an amazing bonus program that pays like no other program has ever seen. Most leadership check matching programs you have to earn by hitting a rank in a company. We give you leadership matching just for coming into the business at one of our packs. If you came in at the executive pack, you'd qualify for 4 levels of check matching. This is a check match on everyone's binary check. So if someone makes a big binary check somewhere in your organization, you can match a huge percentage of that check, generating you a nice income. This program pays up to 10 levels of check matching, which also dynamically compresses when people are inactive. Leadership check matching pays on auto ships and customers, not on first orders. The only qualification for this program is that you maintain a minimum of 100 PV. Here's an example of how lucrative check matching could be for you. If you qualified for 10 levels of check matching, and on your level 1 there are $20,000 in binary checks, on your level 2 there are $10,000 in binary checks, on your level 3 there are $8,000 in binary checks, level 4 there are $7,000 in binary checks, level 5 $6,000 in binary checks, level 6 $5,000 in binary checks, on your level 7 $4,000 in binary checks, on your level 8 there are $3,000 in binary checks, on your level 9 there are $2,000 in binary checks, and finally on your 10th level there are $1,000 in binary checks. You'd get a percentage in the chart of each check, and that would result in $10,600 in commissions. And this is on top of all of the other ways that you're getting paid. Alright, rank reward points. This is one of the most exciting, dynamic, and powerful ways that we recognize our affiliates. A lot of companies give out t-shirts, watches, or small items to recognize the field, but we've built a recognition software and portal that allows you to recognize yourself the way that you want. You can recognize yourself with millions of name brand items from Walmart or Amazon, exotic vacations or hotel stay through Expedia, and there's even a VIP section that has cash, luxury cars, and a dream house. For every rank that you hit and maintain, we pay out points which you can redeem through this portal. You get one-time points for hitting the rank, and then monthly points for maintaining the ranks. What's great about this program is that our ranks are much easier to hit than other companies because it's based on your sales volume, not based on what rank your people are. Sometimes if you're in a company and your people fall out of rank, you fall out of rank. Here, if your sales are high, your commissions are high, and that's how it should be. So as you can see in this chart here, for hitting 5K affiliate, you would receive $500 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $150 worth of points. For For hitting 10K affiliate, you would receive $1,000 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $250 worth of points. For hitting 25K affiliate, you would receive $2,500 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $500 worth of points. For 50K affiliate, you would receive $5,000 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $1,000 worth of points. For 100K affiliate, you receive $10,000 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $2,000 worth of points. This is where it starts to get exciting. For 250K affiliate, you would receive $25,000 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $5,000 worth of points. For 500K affiliate, you receive $50,000 worth of points, and every month you maintain it, you would receive $10,000 worth of points. And finally, super affiliate. You're going to receive $100,000 at super affiliate and $20,000 per month in points. This is one of the fastest ways to make a long-term residual income with My Daily Choice. And remember, this is on top of all of the other ways that you get paid. You can cash your points in immediately or save them for something that you really want. As an example, if you hit each rank and then got to super affiliate, you'd make $194,000 in one-time points. And if you maintain super affiliate for 12 months, you'd make $240,000 in monthly points. So this program is very lucrative. Here's a preview of what this portal looks like. When you achieve your bonus, we send you your own login, and you can browse the millions of recognition items and even build a shopping list for what you want. This is the future of shopping. Don't ever pay a dime again for buying anything online. Build your My Daily Choice business, get paid through the other 4 ways that we pay out in our compensation plan, and then redeem your stuff for free through this rank reward system. Achieving rank. In My Daily Choice, you qualify for the compensation levels at whatever pack you came in at for 6 months, as long as you were active with a minimum of 50 PV. After 6 months, you must maintain a minimum of 100 PV to keep your rank. So here's how you qualify for each rank. First off, you must have a minimum of 100 PV. A 100 PV auto ship gives you $200 worth of product and maximizes the compensation plan. You must also have 3 personally enrolled affiliates with 100 PV each. And finally, no more than 40% of your volume can count from any single unilevel leg. For 5K affiliate, you need 5,000 BV in your enroller tree. 10K affiliate is 10,000 BV in your enroller tree. 25K affiliate is 25,000 BV in your enroller tree. 50K affiliate is 50,000 BV in your enroller tree. 100K affiliate is 100,000 BV in your enroller tree. 250K affiliate is 250,000 BV in your enroller tree. 500K affiliate is 500,000 BV in your enroller tree. And super affiliate is 1 million BV in your enroller tree. These ranks are much easier to hit than other companies because it's based on your total sales, not based on balancing legs in the binary or what